Hello, internet friends. In this video, we are finishing up uh, basically the last four rivets in the elevators. What you have to do here is, if you look at this angle right here, how it comes down to a point right where those Quicos are next to my cell phone. Basically, it's too small to get a bucking bar or a squeezer in there, so Vans has you use a pull rivet, which yay means we get to use this Maki. It's super fun. But the pull rivets that they have you use are a size 33 hole, which all the rest of those holes are number 40. So we have to drill the hole to make it a little bigger, and then yeah. And oh yeah, see, this is me being like, oh, I could get a squeezer in there. Nope, you can't. Just Vans knows what they mean when they say use the pull rivet, because even if you wanted to try, you can't get the squeezer in there. So just do what the plans say. And I'm super jealous of RV-12 builders, because how easy would this be? So just stick the pull rivet in every hole and use the rivet puller to just pull all the rivets. No bucking, just quick. Oh look, I just put a skin on. I'm super jealous of RV-12 builders. So I just checked. There's 10 more videos left. My whole goal here, putting out a video a day, was to get caught up to real time, and I'm still like 2 weeks behind if I look at all the videos that I have. So let's keep at this. Let's keep pushing on. I gonna need to take a break from building though if I want to do that. But I think that's okay, because I think coming up in September I might have another motorcycle camping trip. Might have some work. In fact, I know I have a week of work coming up in September, so that's a week that I won't get any building done. So might be able to catch up then. Okay, so now that I've finished with the elevators, you're looking at the trim tab, right? And I, for some reason, had saved the trim tab for last. Although we did, in a couple videos ago, we put the foam ribs in there, so I needed to close up the end here. And about halfway through, I realized something's not right, and I go check the plans. And what the plans say to do is to dimple the top skin and then basically countersink the next one, and then it should be flat for the piano hinge, right? And instead, what I did, yep, you see me right there going, and then I checked the plans, and then I realized I messed this up. And so what I did was I dimpled the top skin, dimpled the bottom skin, and then countersunk the trailing edge. And that's not what Vans wants you to do. And the reason is they don't want the two skins rubbing together. But they said what I did is going to be fine. It will be okay. So then, and actually the reason why I noticed here is because the first piece of trailing edge I didn't countersink. So it's flat because I read the plans and corrected myself, except I didn't undimple the bottom skin and countersink it. So when I put it together here, I could tell that it was a dimple trying to lay against a flat piece of metal, and obviously there was a bump there, and it wasn't going together. So luckily I had a piece of piano hinge that I countersunk, and I just drilled out the old one and put on the countersunk one, and Van says that will work fine, so I'm happy with it. I'll just keep going with it. But it is important, even though you're getting to the end of the project, you're like, yay, I did it, I put everything together. You double check before you smash those rivets. because it's easy to, you know, miss something that you're like, maybe you skipped a step on purpose and you're like, oh, I'll handle this later. And if you don't write a note on the plans that you did that, then you're not gonna know. You need to make a note to your future self. Hey, idiot, uh, you need to go fix this before you rivet this together, because once you rivet it together, then it's almost permanent. And apparently I got my new hose stuck. So now I know, don't unwind it all the way, unwind it to just the last click. Anyway, thanks for watching. In the next video, really exciting, we're going to make the first motorized piece of the plane. So see you then.